everyone, come unbox with me the exciting Labubus. I have around 8 Labubus, 6 Spin for Love, 1 Exciting Macaroon, 1 Big Into Energy. There is a bonus which is going to be surprise. Wait till the end. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Let's do the first unboxing. This is Spin for Love A to M series. Of course, I secretly hope there is a secret in one of these boxes. The probability of getting secret for this, winning a secret, is 1 by 168. So the probability is low, but let's wish for luck. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, look at this. It's cute. Let's open this. And ta-da! And ooh, cute! Orange. And let's see this. This is J. J for joy. Great. The second one, let's open N to Z series. Okay, let's see which letter is this. Okay. Ooh, which one is this? This is W. W for win. This cute. The third one, let's do A to M series. Let's open this. Let's see this one. Oh, secretly hope this is the secret. But let's see. This one is. Ooh, this color is so cute. Really like this one. This is D. D for dollar. Love this color. The fourth one, let's do the bigger one, the exciting macaroon one. The probability of getting secret for this is 1:72. So let's hope this is the secret. Let's hope this is the secret, but let's see. This one. I think let's open this. Let's see which one. Ooh, this is nice. And I know this is the toffee. Fifth one. Let's come back to Pin for Love series. Let's open this. This is the N2 set series. Still not the secret, but let's hope this one at least has the secret. But let's see. Okay. Let's see this. Which letter is this? Let's see. Ooh. I think this is the R, the black one. This is cute. Respect, very cute. The sixth one, this is the A to M series. Let's open this. I hope this is the secret. I'm telling this, what one can hope for the secret, you know. Let's see. This one. Ooh, again a cute one. I think this is K. I'm not wrong. Yes, this is knowledge. This is my 7th Labubu and last Pin for Love series. So let's hope this is the secret one. The last one. Okay. Let's hope. This one is the secret, you know. Okay. It's still cute. I think this is cute. I'm not wrong. Oh, sorry. This is U. U for unity. There you go. Cute one. This is the 8th one. I already have big into energy. I have loyalty. So I hope I don't get loyalty again. Again, I hope I get the secret one. But let's open this. Okay. Let's see. Just hope it's not loyalty. And maybe the secret. Okay, let's see. Let's open this. Okay. Let's open this. Oh, very cute. This is Hope. This is the Hope one. So I promise there's gonna be a bonus. This is the bonus one. I really wanted to buy this one. I'm so happy I got this. This one is the Wings of Fortune. I'm very happy I am finally able to have one of this. Okay, this is everything we unboxed today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.